Nathan's currently nailing plates to the wall. Yeah.
I'm so poor, I have to nail plates to the wall. Hello and welcome to this short but incredibly hilarious, funny, dramatic and stupid video that you shouldn't do anything you see in it. You shouldn't do any of it because it's all stupid. We could have died. But with that said and done, I really hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much for being here. I'd also like to mention that there is someone new I'd like to introduce you to. Nickname Issy. He's the one that's recording the video you're about to see, and I'm hoping that he'll make an appearance in some more videos in the future on this channel. Can we all give Issy the welcome that he truly deserves?
Here he comes, lads. Here he comes, lads. Whipping excursion. Oh, he's gaining speed. He's gaining pace. He's quickening. Here he comes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh crap. Oh no. Oh no. Well, the bonnet flew up. Oh, pretty fast. Oh wow.
I don't know if I'm injured yet.
What are you going to?
I don't know if I'm injured yet.
Alright, shall I bring it out?
Huh? You can keep filming, sure. But,
Alright, okay.
I mean, just got to get this out.
The tyres bust up.
Yeah, I can kind of see that, but I'm just worried about my.
Oh gosh.
I'm just worried about not being like. Oh, my door's broke.
This is what you call commitment to the cause. Lives on the line. Oh gosh. You alright? Oh, that's fine. Walk it off. It's not too bad.
Okay.
And this is why, kids, it's very important to wear your safety belts. Your seat belts.
I'm not joking. That saved my life. I am not. I would have died. I am not joking.
Oh, then you just turned.
It went back up again. I can't remember exactly, but I'm pretty sure it went back up again. And
oh god.
Literally, when I put it down, I just saw trees.
Alright, we're just pulling it out of its crash area. Oh my god, well, we're missing one tyre. The bonnet is
Oh!
Oh no. R.I.P. Mr. Will.
Okay, that's not such
Yeah,
a bad...
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about this guy. Do you know what he is, yeah? This guy is tired of your crap. He is tired of your crap.
Oh.
Do you Yep.
Look, it resembles you a bit now.
Hey!
The mechanism's perfect. Yeah, it's literally just the half shaft snapped off, that's it. Literally.
You're half a shaft.
Anyway, let's get this back home.
Right, let's do this. Alright, lads. Stay tuned and we will be back. A closer look up of the injury, what the damage.
That's my injury, and yes, I am wearing pyjamas under my trousers because
No
I'm cold.
homo.
But look at that. That's my injury.
We just need to do a quick test.
Yeah, I can feel pain in it, if that's what you mean. No! Like...
Slowly. Oh, this is a little wobble I see. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. A minute further than last time. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, it looks like he's gonna... Don't crash it. Oh my gosh! God.
It kind of feels more of a suggestion wheel rather than the steering wheel.
Right, well, after this test, how do you feel then?
I feel better now that I've done it and not died this time. Because I died the last time.
What the hell do we have here? I've just realised your phone's here.
Yeah, I also didn't destroy my phone.
Yeah, this angle looks pretty sick.
It would be better if I had the headlights. So,
Hey, what was I saying? So, what have you learned from this experience?
I have learnt that when you crash or do something stupid, and you should have learnt a lesson from it, don't learn the lesson, just do it again anyway. I'm very glad that my seatbelt didn't have to serve its purpose this time. Oh, please don't crash.
Hold on to it. You did it! Oh, oh my god! You nearly rolled over.
I know, I had to lean this way. Well, she want me. I got to the end.
Oh my god! Okay.
That flipping what's it called? The bump.
Oh.
The bump. The thing is, there's a massive pot there. I couldn't get knocked off there.
Holy crap! You're literally like, this is okay. The camera's level. You are about 45 degrees.
Is that I have to lean this way because if it fell, I might even
The
find you.
seat belt's holding you.
But I'm gripping on this one.
Oh my god! Do you want to take this and I'll get you off?
Yeah, it's a good plan. That speed bump, I that bump, and that sent me. I had no control after that. Woof. There you go. There you go. Can I have some ratings, please? I actually done it though.
Yeah, I'm impressed to be honest.
I got to the end, and then that bump was just like psych.
Oh, did you not mean to do that?
No. And
there you go. Yeah, this is the bit that I went over that I thought was insane.
You're right. What do you call it? The steering wheel is literally a suggestion wheel.
Yeah, it doesn't listen, does it? Ah.
Like, flash the light because I can try and get out of this.
Yeah, it's a clamp. Just unscrew it.
Where is the clamp? There it is. A long limb problem.
I'm keeping this in. This is how you have to get out. Well, this is how he gets out. I get out like it's a
This
normal
is what
car.
happens when you got long limbs, all right, and also ligament problems.
Ligma.
But despite those ligament problems,
I'm not
despite
filming
my
your
old
face.
age, despite everything, I conquered that. Look at my hands. This is the cost of entertainment. This is the cost of content.
Yeah, but you did
Donate
it.
to his Patreon and I'll take a share.